Hi everyone, I'm Vivian Truong and I'm your new official World Book Day illustrator. So just to introduce myself a bit, I'm a full-time comic artist from London. I have co-created and illustrated a book series called City of Dragons, Cooking with Monsters. I'm also the illustrator behind I Am Fun Size and So Are You by Overwatch voice actress Anjali Bhimani. Also, I do some social media posts for League of Legends and Teamfight Tactics by Riot Games. So when World Book Day asked me to be their official illustrator, I could not have said yes faster. I love World Book Day so much. Growing up, I used to get my free token, run up to the trolleys and try to find Horrid Henry or Captain Underpants or any book that had a dragon on the front cover. That was my obsession as a kid. So yeah, I'm so really grateful for this opportunity, and I just can't wait to celebrate World Book Day with everyone. And I hope you can celebrate it with me too by trying to read as many books as you can, or dig up your old books like comic books, or get your audio books out. Yeah, so let's celebrate.